G'day folks, how you going? Glenn Grantham, General Manager of Rain and Horn in Darwin, back again to have a chat. Welcome to 2021. We are here, new year, it's upon us. In fact, it's actually the 9th of January. I was intending to actually get this video out to our clients long before now, so that you knew what was coming into 2021, but I got back up to Darwin and it has been mayhem and bedlam. We have been absolutely flat out in sales and rental. So now on a Saturday, this is the first time I've had that opportunity to sit down and catch up and tell you what's going on. Over the Christmas and New Year's break, we had just so many inquiries for residential and residential sale properties. And it was just off the charts in relation to what it is, what we would normally experience during this period of time. Since we've been back, we've been showing those properties and pretty much without fail setting records on prices for the last 5 years. Some properties upward of 700,000 in places like Zacolli. And we had a property go to the market in Nightcliff and sell within 25 minutes. That was an absolute knockdown and well in excess of the expectations of the owner. So we're seeing some amazing results, and that is obviously off the back of a report that at the end of 2020 we saw a 9% growth in Darwin, which was the largest of any capital city over 2020. So we would expect, all economists are telling us that is going to continue, because it appears the Australian economy is ramping up quicker than any other in the world, which is a fabulous thing if you're an owner of a property. Not so great if you're a potential purchaser of a property, because that means you've ignored my advice over the last 5 years and have dragged your heels a little bit in relation to getting into the Darwin market. But it's not too late. There are still some good buys out there, and it is on an upward movement if all this continues. What does that mean for 2021? Dare I say it, it really looks as though we're heading into a boom market. Assuming all these things continue, assuming that the purchases still, the demand is there, and we actually at this point in time have an undersupply of stock, we are heading into a boom market. Now that is patchy. We have seen some of the areas in the early stages of any recovery in a marketplace respond better than others. They're usually your A-grade stock areas, so our Darwin northern suburbs have been the first to go. We are now, however, starting to see the take-up of CBD apartments, and we're starting to see growth in some of the B-grade areas, I suppose you'd call them, in the Palmerston region. And what we're seeing there is we're seeing those sell, and the next thing is we will see the prices push up in there. What can we expect? 10% plus, I would imagine, if everything continues in that direction. Great news, as I say, for our owners. Huge amount of pressure on the rental market. Great opportunities there for investors. We are getting multiple applications on any property that is a 3-bedroom, and we're starting to see that multiple pressure on 2-bedroom properties. Very exciting for the Darwin market. It's been something that is a long time overdue. We've been shuffling along the bottom now for 5 or 6 years, and hang on to your hats. This appears to be the direction that we're going in. So hopefully I'm sitting here in 6 months' time and I can give you some more good news. 2021, I'm calling it early. I think we're on a boom cycle. Talk to you soon.